Why does PMax not work? So, who isn't asking this question? If you are a new advertiser or advertising for a small online or direct to consumer brand, PMax is a great way to automate getting your ads in front of the hand raisers that are looking to buy your product or service at scale through Google.com. So, what about everybody else? If PMax isn't working for you, you are likely a mature Google advertiser. You have a long running Google search or Google shopping advertising program, and your ads have already been getting in front of the relevant audiences that are looking for your product and service. These are the magic moments that make Google Ads successful for so many companies for so long. One of the fallacies with PMax is that it has access to some additional set of magic moments or consumer touchpoints that are more relevant or more easily to identify than what's already available with Google's own core ad product. That's why mature advertisers who utilize PMax don't see the majority of their engagement and spend going towards new relevant audiences. Instead, what they see is the majority of the engagement going to their current website visitors, app visitors, and current customers engaging and navigating around Google's own owned and operated apps and properties. You can think of it as an in-Google app display network where your brand continually shows and folks who you already reach are navigating through those apps, but doing so not with organic navigational clicks like they used to, but with PMax ad interactions that have been inserted into the process. So what's the result for mature advertisers? Increasing click volume, increasing impression volume, increasing ad spend on Google volume, and even additional Google conversion volume. But the challenge is that these conversions are not likely to be incremental, and that means that the value is not likely to be incremental. What PMax can do is simplify and automate a lot of the complicated operational work required for a mature Google advertising execution. What PMax can't do is find additional moments that matter and relevant touch points that you can't already get with the world's largest, best search engine and the world's best exchange of users and advertisers. So that's why PMax is not working for you. For additional tips, please check out our channel. And to dive deep into these topics in depth, check out Branching Out, our podcast. Cheers.